Alright, so let's continue. Let's add more small elements from our project triangle strategy project inside Unreal. Um, I see that we have some fences here, so let's create them. Let's go here, and I think we could use a box for now. Let's use a box for now. So this one is like this. Okay, and it's very flat. Okay. And what we're gonna do is to check the scale first. So, like always, let's duplicate this one. Let's change the height of this, just like that. 1, 2, and 3. Let's convert this to editable poly, something like that. Duplicate those. Put this one like this. Convert this to editable poly. This one. Convert it again. Okay, so it looks like we will need some space, maybe not, but we don't judge, we only do first. We see the results and then we change them. So, need to worry about anything for now. So let's do something like that. Okay. And yeah, this will work for now. Let's add a swift loop here, and let's just create something like this, because this is how our game looks like. And here we're gonna remove this one. Oh, remove this one. All right. So this is our fence, our lovely fence. We are only checking the proportions, so we're gonna convert this to editable poly. Select this one, and then let's whoa, do not select only this one, we need to select this two also. Okay, and this ones we're gonna scale it like this, so there is no see finding. Attach everything. Okay, let's see, convert center to object. That could work. So SM small fence. Alright, so it's a good idea actually to rename your objects in the scale you want to use them. For example, if this is a small object, now you can have some kind of convention here to have like a small object, and here, you know, big one or whatever, and it helps for organization purposes, and especially when you have a lot of assets and you don't want, you only looking for small objects, you can use that. But of course, you can always scale them in Unreal and be more creative with it if that's what you want to do. And if it works for you, then also fine. So let's export this one. Let's go back to Unreal, import everything. Did we save? Okay, let's save. And now we will put it here. Look at that. Is this too small? I don't know. Maybe. But let's see. We don't worry about things that we cannot control now. We're only focusing on one step at a time. There you go. Alt and Shift. There you go. Okay. I feel like this could work. I don't feel like in the video it shows like it's too big. So I think that for now we can leave it. But we need to do something else. This wall is a little high, actually. It's a little high. So we need to reduce it. And what we will do is to go back to max, select this one, reduce this one, this height like this, and this height also reduce like this. Of course, this one also. Okay, so let's export these two. You can see how easily it is to just, you change something and then automatically, because you have your assets already imported, you're ready to change almost anything. I'm crashing. Okay, no, I'm not crashing. Okay, so this looks more of a real thing for me. Yeah, looks like it's on scale. So let's actually, this one should be lower. Yes, just like that. Okay, and then this one will be more sensitive, goes down, and this one also goes down. This one also goes down. Awesome. Let's play the game. Alright, we have something. Things are starting to happen here. Slowly, we're building up our environment. The gate feels okay to me for now. Maybe a little bit too big, but maybe not. Maybe not. It just feels right. Let's do one more thing. These two are repeating here, so let's put them here. And also, this thing here need to go lower. It's too high. I'm gonna put it like this. And this one also going to be put here. Alright, maybe we can put some materials in the flags. So let's create our material folder finally. And then create a material and block out master. Okay, and we create a material instance which is called Emma flag. I will show you a little trick here. So let's click V to create a parameter, and this will be our color. And I have my basic gray, and I will have my metallic as my metal, and then I will have my roughness. Okay, and I will put something like 0.75. Okay, now there is a really cool thing you can do in Unreal. You can create material instances. If you're new to this and you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I can link you some links in the description so you can learn some materials from Unreal and other really good tutorials out there. I really don't want to touch the topic of materials because I feel that many people touch it already. I could also do it if you want me to do the guide that guides you into the material world. But in this case, let's just leave it like that and, just find what the material is. So this one is our flag. So we're gonna apply the material here and let's put it here. Oh shit. Okay, let's go back to this one. It's this one. Okay, so it's the highlight. There is one problem. I cannot see my flag from the two sides. And there are two ways. I can either make this material two-sided here, but this will affect all my blockouts, or I could use this material instance and I can change this one to two-sided here. Okay, so now if I click save, I can see my material is two-sided, and I can see here I have my flags, and of course the flags are gonna be yellow, just like the game. Maybe too yellow, yes. Maybe a little bit too peaky here, but it works. So Okay, let's just leave it like that. Cool. Later on we will learn how to do this, like move automatically with width and everything. Just have faith in the process. Now let's add some stairs, because we need some stairs for our map. So let me check the reference for a moment. Alright, so we create this blockout with the intention that this one has a balcony, but we're going to create a balcony in a separate part. So let's go back to Max, and what we're going to do is we're doing the exact same process here, but here we're going to remove this one, and we're going to call it SM Gate Column Balcony. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and what we're gonna do is to, you know, just create a balcony. So let's see how we can create this. Okay, I got this. It will be from this angle. We're going to push this one like that, just like that. Okay, and what we're gonna do is to put something like this. Remember, we already did the blockout, so it's just a matter of refining instead of changing the proportions. And what I'm gonna do now is to, maybe I'm gonna put this one like this. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna put it like this. Just like that. Check this move. Whoa. Alright. Something like that. So okay. We can do it this way. We can scale this one. And we can duplicate this one. Maybe like 5 times. Okay, maybe the fifth one is like this, and maybe something like that for now. Alright, so this is fair enough. What we're gonna do is to select this one, do something like this, and for these ones I'm going to attach those here, and what I'm gonna do is to select all of this, then down a little bit, and select a swift loop. Yeah, I know I should have done one and then duplicate it, but I'm lazy. So let's connect here. Let's put the perspective so we can see better. I will put it here. And then what we're gonna do is to extrude this out. Later on we will just keep this another one, or maybe we will just, you know, use our mega scans to get some assets from there. But for now, let's export this once. Okay. Then let's click on import. There you go. Crash. Please don't crash. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm always so scared when Unreal stops, you know, responding me. Okay. So let's go to our gate here. Bam! Look at that. And looking at our game. If you have the game, I mean, it's free, why you shouldn't have it, but just check the demo and you will be able to check this. Okay, how does it feel? Feel like this one's a little bit too big, so let's go here to our thing and let's just remove this. One little tip, and with this one we will finish this video. Check the rate the ratio of this. If you want to design something, this is like this big, this is like this big, and this is like this big. So you have different proportions. If you want to make something more boring, you can have the same proportions, like half-half, something like that. And yeah, that's a small design tip. But you know, we will. It's not the last time we will see this. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, looks much better. Much better. Alright, so we are starting to block out our scene very nicely. There are some things we can do to improve it, but for now I think this is a good process. So if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, share it with a friend you may think will also be useful to that person. And if you got any questions, just let us know in the comments and we may do a tutorial about it. If you have any question about any tutorial or something that you may need help, just let us know and we will do our best to make the tutorial about it. Alright, so see you in the next one.